Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Teams meeting notes for better To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. Select the Teams meeting you want to add notes to. Click on the meeting to open its details. Within the Meeting Details window, look for the Meeting Notes option. If this is your first time using meeting notes, click Take Notes. A new Notes panel will open on the right side of your screen. Start typing your notes in the provided text area. You can format your notes using tools available at the top of the panel. To add a new section, click the plus icon. Label your sections clearly for better organization. Make sure to mention action items or decisions made during the meeting. You can tag specific team members in the notes by using the @ symbol. This will notify them and help in assigning responsibilities. Once you finish taking notes, they will automatically save. To access the notes later, return to the Meeting Details. Scroll down to find the Meeting Notes section. Notes will remain accessible for future reference and follow-ups. Encourage your team to review the notes after the meeting. This practice enhances accountability and clarity. Remember, good notes streamline communication and project management. With this method, you're set for better follow-ups and organized meetings. Now, enjoy the benefits of an efficient meeting notes process in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.